So here's a little tour of the house, starting from the elevator on the main floor. And we come out to the pantry with a little drink fridge, carbonation station, blah, blah, blah. And then to the kitchen with fridge, cabinets. We got the nice Wolf range, copper sink with a, clean the lens, with a little thing that washes your glasses. Kind of cool. Water butler. They're still working outside. Dishwasher. Trash compactor. Got these cool shelves things that close by themselves. And these crazy slidey things. There's the island. And this is one of the more fun things. Just pull this up and out. Isn't that cool? That's how you get your mixer out. Let's see. A little feature thing we haven't done much with. There's a low microwave. There's Nugget. We redid that bathroom as well. Out back, of course, is the Tiki Bobs and the hot tub, which is quite pleasant, I must admit. Very, very nice. Little hot tub. And then we have more storage now than we know what to do with. Lots of empty space. So everything's nice and open. Living room nice and open. Got a nice couch. We're getting another one for over there. It's worked out pretty well. And then you walk outside the new door. Bit of a mess out here. Beautiful day today. Gorgeous. 72. So we actually sit out here all the time and eat and meet. And every night Barbara walks by and says, "Hello, Sutters." And there's Nugget again. All right. And then we will walk upstairs. Got our artwork. This is kind of our art wall. I'm going to put some big piece of art up there. There's the elevator. We have all these rafter spaces now. This is just one. And we have so much storage space, we know what to do. This is also my data closet. And Nugget again. Back here is the guest area. And the big washer dryer. Still working on some cabinets here. The guest bathroom. And here's the guest shower with the steam system. So it's all enclosed. It's got speakers and lights and shit like that. And so there's a new door into the guest room, which is also the gym. It's got the Murphy bed. Again, we got more storage than we know what to do with. Like storage, like too much storage. All these rafter spaces with nothing in them. So. And then got a new stairwell, gets us up into the attic, and then we have a glass covered attic hatch that gets us up to the roof. Right, Nugget? Master bedroom. This is our little, it's going to be behind a bookcase eventually. It's our little hidden planetarium. You have a little planetarium. You can sit and just look at the stars. All we have all that Elsa stuff. So I get my own closet. Imagine that. And again, we have all this corner rafter space. Crazy amount of space we got. I don't know what to do with it all. And we go to Cam's closet. She thought she'd never be able to fill it. And actually, she hasn't filled it, but plenty of space for everything. That's Cam's closet. Medicine cabinet. Plenty of space there. And then the master bath, which we really like, actually. And nice sinks, windows in the corner. We got skylights. We got the soaking tub with the hot bubbles. That came up pretty well. And then master shower with a rain head thing and a waterfall. Niches with lights in them. And then the sauna, which got a high area, a low area, and it has its own skylight, which is kind of nice. And that, a towel warmer. And that's basically it. That's the tour for now.